for today's class, I would like to ask you a question. When we meet some old friends, what we usually do?
How are you?
Yes, and what we would to answer this question? I'm fine, and you? As we are familiar with these sentences, but do you know what's the function and in these sentences places? Here, the and places the function of conjunction. So today, I'm going to introduce the conjunction and its definition, function, and usages. After we learn and master how to use the conjunction, we can have more ability to write more sentences in various forms. First, I would like to talk about conjunction's definition. The definition of conjunction is the part of speech or word class that serves to connect words, phrase, clause, or sentences. For example, and, but, or, because, those are all the conjunctions. There are usually two types of conjunction. One is the coordinating conjunction. And the second one is the subordinating. First, I would like to talk about the coordinating conjunction. Usually it has and, but, or, for, no, so, and yet. These are all called coordinating conjunctions. The coordinating conjunction that joins two similarity contrasted and syntactically equal words or phrases or clauses within a sentence. For example, rice and potatoes are all are all common foods. Rice and vegetable are all common foods. Here, and is a conjunction, and he connects two words, rice and vegetables. Here, there are all the nouns, and there are all the equal parts in these sentences, so it connects two words. Another example of the coordinating conjunction is that Lucy likes fish. Lucy likes fish. But she doesn't like potatoes. Here, but is a conjunction, but it didn't connect two words, but it connects a clause with another clause. Lucy likes fish. She doesn't like potatoes. They all have the similarity construct, so it is have the equal part in one sentences. These are the coordinating conjunctions. And the next part, I would like to ask some students to give me more examples of the conjunction sentences. And this time will be about 3 minutes. I would like to ask students to turn in to answer the question. Give me more examples of the coordinating conjunctions, and I will to analyze each sentences to let students told me that what functions each word plays, and it connects words or phrase or clause. coordinating conjunction can consist of correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunctions works in pairs to join words and groups of words of equal weight in sentences. So it also has the correlative conjunction. It belongs to coordinating conjunction. It usually have the either or. Not only, but also. Sometimes we can use not only but. Neither nor. Both. And. Whether or. And the last one, just as so. These are the correlative conjunction. I will give you an example about the correlative conjunction. That is, you either do your work or prepare for a trip to the office. Can everyone see my writing clearly?
Yes.
Thank you. So here, either and or are correlative conjunction. It connects do your work or prepare for a trip. Here, do is the verb and prepare is the verb too. They have the equal weight in the sentences. They are both important. We can see which one is more important than another one. One more example. Not only is he handsome, but he is also brilliant. It's the same thing. Not only and but are the correlative conjunction. They all connect with the handsome and brilliant. They are the adjective words, and they both describe a human's quality. We can see each one is more important. They have the equal weight in one sentences. So this is the correlative conjunction. Also, I will ask some students to give me more example about the correlative conjunction and analyze each sentences. This will be last about 2 to 3 minutes. But I want to stress one thing is that when use correlative conjunction, the connected parts are the same grammar structure. We can't use the different grammar structure. It must be the synaptically. The second conjunction I want to say is about the subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions, also called subordinators, are conjunctions that join an independent clause and a dependent clause. Usually it has that, whether, though. Sorry?
You're welcome.
Because and so on. These are we really use the conjunctions. And I also give you some example to understand the subordinating conjunctions more clearly. One is he goes home. Because he is ill. This is an effect and a cause sentences. He goes home because he is ill. This is a sentence. This is the sentence. Or we can say these are the clauses because connected to. The other one, second example, I will use though to make sentences. Though he is busy. He would like to help others. Here, he is busy is a clause. He would to help others is another clause. Though connected those two clause. And one more thing I want to students pay attention is about the though. Though cannot connect use with the but. So we can't say though he is busy, but he would like to help others. Though and but cannot use together in a sentences. Also, if we use the although, it still cannot use as but. Again, who would like to give more sentences? And this will take about 2 minutes to let students give me sentences and analyze it. And except these two parts of conjunctions. Conjunction also have its different functions. Usually it have the 4 different usages of conjunction. The first one is option. Second one is turning. Third is paralleling. And the last one is cause and effect. Now I will explain each of them's different usages. Option, we can understand that it usually to let you choose one thing or another. It is let you to choose, not the both. Like I example before that you can either do your work or to prepare the trip. So in these sentences, either or is an option conjunction, let you to choose one or another. Another example is you can go to Beijing either today or tomorrow. So you can choose today or tomorrow. It's an alternative conjunction. The second one is the turning. Usually, but, however, well, is the turning conjunction. For example, he likes football, while his brother is fond of basketball. So here, turning is to let one sentences have the different meaning. It's the different from the formal clauses. Next, paralleling. Usually it has at both ends as well as. For example, to study English well, we need both hard work and careful. Here, hard work and careful are all we need to study English. not can say which one is more important. We need both of them, not to choose one. So it is the difference with the first option. The last one is the cause and effect. Therefore, because they are all with the cause and effects in one sentences. For example, it must have rained, for the ground is wet. We guess that it have rained because what? Because the ground is wet. So here it is the cause and effect. These four are the four different usages of conjunctions. And after I talked about this one, students would have about 5 minutes to discussion about each part I talked about, the coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, and the four different usages of conjunction. And students conclude what's their meaning, the definition, the function, and the usage. And each of them have to make a sentences about one of the usages and one of the conjunction. After that, I would to finish my class. From the lecture and the discussion, we have a clear concept of the conjunction. We know the types of conjunction and their functions in a sentence. Conjunction plays an important role in a sentence. Being proficient in using conjunction can make you understand the more completed sentences and help you to read more comprehensible readings. Thank you.